Hello there, welcome to RESTly another video. In this video, we'll discuss about RESTly blog. RESTly blog add-ons, how to use, how to customize or how to edit. For this work, first you need to go to your Elementor backend page and then create a section. Like this is a RESTly blog, and for the job, you need to create a section and go here and a blog and RESTly blog version 1. Just click and paste here. You see this is registry block, and we customize here and change the needed. First you see content and registry block, rest select a style. We add it here to a style one, defaultly used one, and this is two. Okay, like I use one, and then display item. Here you see I use three item. If you need to more item added, like four item, one or six item. Okay, so now I use three item. Then post by category. This is category, it service business its category. You need to post your like category, then enable here and select your category like business. Then you see this is business, this is business, this is business, all post your editor business. You don't need, just disable this. Okay, then order by ascending but descending, like ascending. Okay, select item column. Here is three, and if you use here four column in one page, you see one, two, three, and four. This is em- empty because here I use three, like four. You see, this is four. Okay, we use three column and three item in a one content, and show navigation. If you need the navigation, like, then enable this or disable this. Then title length, this is title length. Here is 5 word. Then if you modify this, plus or minus this. Then content length, this is content. We use 10 word. If you need to increase this, just increase. Don't need, just default use. Okay, then update it. And then go to a style. There is image height, this is image height is this, uh, and you see this is image height. Okay, I use this, and you see the background type. If you use a background color from here, you see this one don't need, just of this. And image, if you want to use a background image on your content like this, and use this. Oh, this is so bad, and I delete this. Okay, don't use a background image. And box shadow, this is box. Like, if you use the box shadow, just see this. There is change. Okay, I just use some shadow here. Box radius. See, when I it increase the box radius, you see box radius. Okay, if you use the border type, you see this is border type. Don't use, just select the none. Margin and padding, use the margin. Okay, this is a spaces and padding also. Then pagination alignment, like pagination alignment, this is pagination alignment. So there is pagination. Okay, you see this is middle and this is right alignment, this is left alignment. Then content box alignment. Content, here is middle or center, here is right alignment, this is left alignment. We use left alignment. And content margin and padding, needed to change this. And content, here is content, uh, category content, its services, this is category content icon color, meta color and meta hover color, typography and margin and padding. Then title. This is title. Need to change the title color. Okay. Title hover color need to change. Okay. See. Okay. Then typography. Use the another typography. Okay. Changes. Family font family. Okay. Margin and padding. Then content. This is content same way. And author. This is author or and height, weight, height, border, radius. I use more small and big margin and padding. Finally, advanced. If you want to change the section background color, section transformation, button effect, border, responsive attribute, and custom CSS, change here. Okay, hope you understand how to customize and use RESTfully blog add-ons. Thank you.